scheduled for 23rd, 24th, and 25th will still hold. To our members, I want to bring good tidings that your party is very, very intact. To APC, I want to send a message that you will continue to harass, coerce, and buy our members. But the 2027 election is between Nigerians and you. Your ways, hunger, insecurity, arbitrary extortion of Nigerians is more than overwhelming. So we are in a democratic setting. You should hear the yearning of people. Like I said earlier, we are not conquered. We are law-abiding citizens. We deserve to be heard. For democracy to strive, people must say their mind. People should be listened to, and policies should be people's-oriented. Leadership. This is what you can see in this NWC. And I keep reiterating, this is the only party in the country that have lasted this long. We have mastered the act of complete resolution. We know our problem and we solve it within ourselves. To those that are contemplating, they should know that they have no place. And there is no. We are drawing a line for those that go to the market, the party. Watch them and take appropriate action at the right time. If you believe in this party, you should be an ambassador that propagates the fortunes that this party has given to the citizens of this country when it was there. Thank you, and most sincere.